Hi everyone, welcome to the 42nd section of Python for Machine Learning. In this session, we will learn about data visualization using Python. So data visualization is a process through which we can generate the insights and we can create different kind of diagrams and different kind of visualization which will help us to get the hidden pattern. We will use the data set percent-bachelors degrees visualization. This data set is prepared by Dr. Randall S. Olson, and after his approval only, I am using this data set in this video. Also, please find the link for his site that I have mentioned in the summary section. So let's start. We have the data set, so we'll import a pandas data set and we'll get it in the CSV and we'll execute this. So we'll have the data set df. What are the columns? We'll give df.info. So there are 41 records, and there are 18 columns. The first column is year, and the rest of the column is the enrollment subject or the different kind of subject where a student is studying in the college. So let's analyze. So first, what we will do, example, we will take 2 or 3 subjects and we will visualize it. So for visualizing, we have to import matplotlib as plt. What we'll do, we'll give plt.plot and then we'll give df. We will plot the first 3 subjects: agriculture, comma, color is equals to red. We execute this. Okay, we have not executed. So this is a very basic structure which we have created. Now we'll execute. What are the other subjects? First top 3 subjects: agriculture, architecture, and art and performance. Now we'll execute this. So this will give blue. For this will give. Okay. So we can see that the performance of the art and performance is right from the 1970s till 2010. It is like way ahead than agriculture and architecture. Now we will also get a relationship between physical sciences, suppose, and the computer science. Let us check the column names. Physical sciences, yeah, physical sciences and computer science. That is fine. We'll execute this. Now also the color will change. Now from this you can see for the past 20 years the difference between the physical science and computer science is huge. Like for past 20 years we can say that women's have been awarded undergraduate degree in this field of in the field of physical sciences much more than in the computer science. Now what we'll do, now we'll play with subplots, create a subplot. Like whatever we have created here, we have not given a title, nothing. It's just kind of empty diagram. What we'll do, we'll again plot the agriculture and the physical science and the computer science and see how it is getting with the subplot how it will come. So for subplot, first of all, suppose if I want to create 3 pictures, 3 different visualization, then it will be 3 pictures, 1, 2, 2. If it is a matrix, so what is the order? The order of the matrix is first row, 3 column. Okay, and there are 3 pictures here. So in my subplot, it will be 1, 3, 1, then 1, 3, 2, then 1, then 1, 3, 3. So you'll understand when I'll execute the plot, then only you will understand very clearly. So let's start plt.subplot. Subplot 1, 3, 1. We'll get the architecture blue, then and also we'll give a title plt dot. Similarly, we have to do the same step for computer science. Now for this subplot, this will be 1, 3, and this will be 1, and here computer science will replace the title of this whatever it is with computer science, and also change the color from blue to. Okay, you can see that a separate frame for visualization is created when we use subplot. Okay, so this is quite helpful in different scenarios. Now what we'll do, now we will whatever till now we have done is for females. Now how do we get, we are not being informed about the this is being informed that this research set is about the females, but using our like knowledge, we can get the insight about male. So how do we plot, like how to get the information for the males who have done well in the English subject? For that we have to give plt.plot, then df year. Total subject percentage will be 100. So whatever data is present in the sheet is like for females. So if we subtract it from 100, then that will be for the males. 100 minus df of comma color is equals to red comma. So we will, what we'll do, we'll do a comparison between the male and female, how they have done in the English subject. Okay, let's get them. And here the color what we'll do is like let blue color. Okay, so this is fine. Now after this, we also need to like make our data quite presentable. It should look good. So we'll give plt.title, then we'll give plt.xlab. What is our x label? It's here. What is y label? For y axis also we need to give some value. For that we will give. Now if we'll execute this, so you can see that women's are beating men by a huge margin when it comes to the subject English. Now this is like just for a subject English. Now if you want to see for all the subjects like how males and females are doing, so how do we achieve that? Now if we go on doing this, like we have to do it for 17 times, because if you open this, like what is the shape of the data set? df dot shape, 18 columns, right? Out of which the very first column is year. So minus 1. So 18 minus 1, so 17 columns are means that there are 17 subjects. So if we go on doing like this one by one, it will take a lot of time. So let us try in some different way so that we can use programmatically, we can achieve it. So we'll use like figure and how to do it. Now first of all, in this case there will be how many there are 17 subjects, right? So this will be 1 2 3 10 11 17. So now this is a matrix, right? How many rows are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6. Column is 3. We'll create a matrix of 6 into 3, and again each number will be followed by 6 into 3 1, 6 into 3 2, which will be the name of my figure. So let's start. So what we'll do, give the name of the figure. Here we need to be creating multiple plot. So fig is equals to plt.figure. We'll give the figure size. Okay, now it's 1. The very first figure, okay, which will dot add underscore subplot, which will be 6 rows, 6 into 3 1. So this will be will and this will create 17. Here I am showing it like manually, but there is some approach where we can create it programmatically, even these step which I am creating here. We can, whatever I'm trying now manually, we can achieve it through C1 also. So, but I'm just showing you how to achieve this. Now we can see that empty figures is being created. Just a structure is created. Now to how to get it populated with the required data. So what we'll do, we'll create a for loop for I in range. Now length of the categories, and then which is like AX. We need to plot it. This is for female, which we are plotting. Then and the label is equals to. Now we'll give here red minus. Okay, so that error is not coming anymore, what we were getting here. So let's execute this and see what we are getting. Okay, so let's see. Oh, okay, now if you can see here, we are getting the data. Okay, we have to change the color for men to blue. Yeah, now we are getting the like output, but it is not, it is getting overlapped. If you can see, the biology data is overlapping the y like x-axis what is present here. So in order to achieve that, we have to give here plt.title layout. Okay, so you can see now it's coming properly. Now the very important observation from here you can see, like for agriculture, for architecture, for art and performance, for all of them, the gender gap is not much. Even if you see, like most of the places, women's are leading for education, women's are leading for health profession, foreign languages, English. But if you see the computer science, there's a huge gap. If you see the year 2010, for engineering also, there's a huge gap between, like males are doing much better than females. But for the health profession, foreign languages, English, females are doing much better, much. Now, if we like for our, if you want to do a presentation based on this, so how do we save this figure? So we'll give plt dot save fig, and we'll name the what we want to give. If we execute it, this will be saved in the same working directory where we are saving this program, like this Python data visualization.py. Okay, this is saved in my folder. So this is my working folder. So categories.jpg. But you see the value is empty. Now why this value is coming as, because we have like we are saving the figure after show. If we give plt.show, then it will flush everything whatever present. So we have to shift this, like we have to print this after the plt.show. We have to save this. Okay, so we'll run it again. We'll run it again, and then we'll go into our, so you can see this is saved perfectly. So thanks a lot for watching the session. In the next session, I'll be coming up with more data visualization, where we'll use the legend, where we'll use annotate, and also I'll be coming up with more insight using this and the other data sets where we will use Seaborn also. Instead of you doing the manual activity which we have done, we can do it directly in one shot. Okay. So thanks a lot for watching the session. If you feel this video is helpful, please comment and press the like button, and also subscribe to this channel. Also, if you want me to cover any other topic, please post in the comment section.